Santa's fat ass fell down the chimney and just and then got up and brushed himself off. Oh, holy shit, that was a slippery chimney. And then walked and then got in my liquor cabinet. He'd probably choose this because this is something that Santa Claus would love. And do you know how I know that? He told me. Welcome back to ADHD Fishing. My name is Matt. And, well, damn it, it's Christmas time. See what we got in the stocking today, shall we? It's a damn near empty bottle of Willett 4-Year Rye Whiskey. How did that get so low? I drank it all because I was thirsty. Did I put it in the stocking myself? Yep. This is a beautiful bottle. I would be happy to receive one of these for Christmas. This was a gift from Daniel Shook of the Bourbon Junkies. He's also a patron of mine. I'm also a patron of his. It's just how this shiz works. I scratch your back, you rub my balls. Willett Family Estate 4-Year Rye Mother-friggin' Whiskey. Oh, it's a small batch rye too. Didn't even mention that because that's very important. That was stupid. Aged in hand-selected white oak barrels for 4 years. Hand-bottled at Cask strength. Alcohol is 56.9% by volume. And if you do a little bit of math in your head, like I'm about to do, you'll know that that means it's 113.8 proof. It's easy math. You don't even have to look at the bottle. You know what? I always thought the Willett logo was very cool looking, but I never actually looked at the Willett logo until right now. What do we got? We got a bird on top of the logo, and the bird appears to be a pelican. A pelican. And it's sitting atop a crown that has maybe some... Wow, okay, there's a lot going on here. What the heck have I not looked at? Is this some sort of witchcraft? I've seen witchcraft before, and this looks like witchcraft. Are those elephants? Are those tiny elephants? This Willett bottle has itty bitty teeny weeny tiny little tiny itty bitty itty elephants. Right there, 3 of them. I think. And then it says something in a different language, and that always means they're talking shit. Always. Never has it not meant that. It says, "Do if non devour." Probably means you're fat and could use a shower. Pretty sure that's what that means. Look at that logo and tell me that's not some goofy looking pelican on a crown with snakes and teeny teeny weeny elephants. That's what that is. I want more of this. I want more of this. I want more of this. Everybody, I want more of this. Come on. I want more of this. Everybody, I want. Stand up. Come on. I want more of this. Yes. I want more. Yeah. I want. Everybody say it. I want more. It's because I want more of this. Hallelujah. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really good. Cinnamon. Like, oh, wow. That is the best thing ever. I love it. This tastes like a delicious cinnamon candy. Like a good one. Like a quality cinnamon candy that you get at the cinnamon candy store for people with lots of money. Belvita blueberry crackers. It is awesome. The best. It's the best. Piper agrees. This could be the best rye whiskey, especially at 4 years. Are you trying to screw me up? Oh. You know, they say, if you play dead, they'll just walk away. This is the highest quality stuff you're going to get.
Hallelujah!